garage. It's about 22 degrees outside right now here in northern Michigan. But the fit and finish of the seat is absolutely great. I mean, it's a beautiful seat, just from the aesthetics of it, I should say, and how it's put together too. The stitching of it is real nice. Even up here onto the blue, they sent the blue one to match the blue on my bike. It's a very good looking seat. So in that category, I'm gonna say they definitely won on that one. All right, so we're going to compare the stock Harley seat to this new CC Rider seat. So starting out with the Harley seat, these seats aren't exactly the same build. So I didn't really think about that when they asked which seat I would like to get in the long-term review. I got the one that I thought looked the best and that would fit my bike. But on this seat here, the built-in backrest, I guess, is a little bit taller than what's on that seat right now. But the fit and finish of this seat isn't as good as that CC Rider seat. So you can see here, again, this seat's a bit older, but you can see the staples are all crooked and out of place. You got a bunch of extra material. You know, it's just kind of ragged compared to the CC Rider seat that I'm going to show you next. One thing I did notice, that I did run this seat on my bike for a little bit when I first got it. This seat is, for me, so I'm going to do a little bit of a disclaimer. Seats are something that's very, very personal to each individual rider. For me, with my body type, my build, and my injury, I have a right hip, right knee injury. This seat was absolute torture. I couldn't sit on the seat for any more than a half hour at a time without having to get up and walk around a little bit, which is, for you who ride, it's just not feasible. It's not enjoyable. If you're not comfortable on your bike, you know, it's agony. So I ended up switching out to a tall boy seat, which wasn't much better, to be honest with you. Still a Harley brand seat. And then I finally got my Saddleman Road Sofa. But we're not going to compare the Road Sofa to the CC Rider seat. It's an unfair comparison. We're going to stay in the same bracket of seats, and I feel that CC Rider seat and these Harley seats are very comparable to each other. So now with the CC Rider seat, just from sitting on it off the bat, I can tell it's much, much better and much more comfortable. So this one is an extended reach seat, but again, so the sitting in the garage on a 22-degree day, I could tell right away that the seat's much better. But all right, so here's a quick look at the CC Rider seat. You can see the difference in the two seats. Hold this real quick. Back here, this is more of a sloped side, and you got a little bit of support here on the outside. Both seats do have a spot here for an actual backrest. See up close of it all. This is a foam insert. I did not get the gel seat. It's very comfortable just to sit on. Like I said, I was probably sitting on it for about 15-20 minutes. And it was very, very comfortable to sit on. If you do have a stock Harley and you're looking to upgrade from the stock Harley seat, so far this is a definite upgrade in comfort, quality, and design. The thing looks badass. So again, I can sit on it all I want in the garage. I could make excuses that it's 22 degrees outside, but we're not going to go nothing without taking it for a ride. So that's what we're going to go do. for first impressions and initial thoughts on the seat, it's better than expected for sure. Again, we already talked about the looks. I really do like the look. The fit and finish of it is very nice. Um, it's comfortable. Again, I only went on a 40-ish mile ride, but it fit me well. I mean, it fit my rear very well. It hugged all the right spots.
That's what. If you say "that's what she said" one more time, I'm gonna pop you.
It's a bargain for $280. I mean, for a $280 seat, you're getting quite a bit. It's a definite 110%, in my opinion, improvement over the old Harley seat there. Plus, it looks cool. I mean, you want to put that turd on your bike, or you want to run that beauty. That right there alone is enough for me. So, but for sure, it's a good seat. And I'm not just saying that because they sent me one. They didn't pay me to say anything. I sent them back the email saying I was going to be completely honest with them about it. And honestly, if I didn't think the seat was worth the $280, this video would never have gotten made, and I would have sent the seat back to them. I'm not here to bash anybody. So I do like it. But it was only 40 miles, 45, 46 miles, whatever it was. I have a 300-mile ride coming up here very soon, and there will be a part 2 to this video, and then there will be a 1,000-mile review on this video as well. I'm gonna stick with this. This is gonna be an onboard thing. Brother Mook, who has a 2015 Electric Glide Police Edition, which you've seen here before. We did some things on that bike for him. He has a standard Harley seat. And I'm going to be giving this seat to him and getting his thoughts on it. So it would be more of a fair comparison coming from him than from me. I've been on my Saddleman Road Sofa now for almost a year. And, I'm a bit spoiled with that one. So coming from a guy who's been on a stock Harley seat, who needs an extended reach seat, I think he would be able to provide a better insight to the differences of the seat and how it is. So there's going to be a part 2 and a part 3 with Brother Mook about this seat at the end of summer. I want to get his thoughts on it. He's doing a ride, leaving Michigan, going all the way out west to Wyoming and back in August. And he's going to take that thing with him. He's going to put it through the trenches. So we'll get the real deal here come September on what this seat can do and what it can't do. And I'm just going to be fully honest with it. If it ends up sucking, you guys are going to hear about it. If it ends up being great, you guys are going to hear about it. So that's it, though. I mean, again, I like it. It definitely passed all the boxes so far that I can check off and feel confident in checking off. So long-term review is to be determined yet. But anyways, thank you, CC Rider, for sending that seat over to me. I do appreciate it. Again, go check them out at ccirderseats.com, and you can check out all their stuff they have over there. So, all right, I'm gonna put a link for this seat in the description below. I'll put a link to their website below as well. I'll probably say it properly there, and then we'll get after it. But thank you guys, appreciate you, and remember, ride with purpose. We'll see you next time.